Hello everyone, today I will introduce my game project. My game is a multiplayer hide-and-seek game developed in Unity. I use Prototon to allow multiplayers to join the same room and play together online. In the game, players are divided into two roles, hiders or seekers. At the start of each round, hiders will have a short period of time to hide in the scene, while seekers need to wait before they can start searching. When the hiding time ends, seekers can move around the map and try to find the hiders. The main purpose of this game is to create a simple, fun, and a competitive multiplayer experience. The hider needs to use the environment to hide carefully, while the seekers needs to observe the scene and find them as quick as possible. So now I will give a more in-detail explanation about my game. So like other kinds of online games, you need to log in at the login page. You can just key in the username that you want to log in. And then you can choose to create a room or join random room or see the existing room list. Let's say we create a room here. So after the one player create a room, the other player in the room list, they can see the room and they can choose to join in. After all of the players there are all joined in, the host of the room, they can choose to start the game. So we have two roles inside this game, which is hider and seekers. So they can choose the role that they want to be. For example, if they want to be hider, they can just be press cat. And there are 4 objects that provided for the hiders. They can choose the one that they want and press confirm. After they press confirm, they will be recognized as ready here. So the rest players can also choose to be hider or seekers. But the mechanism here is like this. If we have 2 N players, then N players can be the hider, and the rest N players needs to be the seeker. But if we have 2 N plus 1 players, then we need N plus 1 hider and N seekers. So for seekers, we provide a lot of outfits and also like materials for them to customize their appearance. They can choose the one that they want to be. Also, they can change their expressions and outfit. They can also rotate themselves to preview. Same, when they are ready, they need to press confirm. So once the game starts, as you can see here, seekers are blocked. They cannot see where hider hide, and it's time for hider to choose a place to hide. For hiders, you can press the arrow key up and arrow key down to go up and going down, WASD to move, and also you can press R to rotate to better put yourself in a good position. And they can also press P to enter the painting mode to paint themselves. They can use the right button of the mouse to choose the color that they want, so they can better melt inside the position, the environment. In my game, hiders are provided 1 minute to hide, and after that, seekers will be allowed to seek. So let's see now. So for seekers, if they hit a wrong object, we will play a wrong ammo song to hint the seeker that, this object is wrong. They can also use WASD to move, and they can press space to jump, and left click mouse to shoot. So if they hit a cracked object, then they will play another kind of ammo song, which is cracked, and means that they found the right hider. And on the left bottom corner, we can see that there is 0 out of 1 hider is found. So this is to hint the seekers that how many hider that they need to find inside the scene. And they are provided 2 minutes to finish all of this. Yes, so the green screen just now we see is actually for observation. So in the real gameplay, because we will have several hiders and several seekers, so because hiders are played as a team and also seekers are played as a team, so if only one hider is being killed, the game is not finished yet. So we provide a new camera for the hider that is already being killed to observe what the game is going on now, to make sure that it looks reward. So after this, if all of the hiders are found, then the seekers will win the game. Otherwise, the hiders will win the game. And seekers, they can see the hider that they found and what time does them found it during the final page.
Thank you.
Or is it like that?
You're not gonna control yourself. Fun? Yeah, very fun. When you unlock I can hear